on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a natural wellness shot. The ingredients that we're going to need today are water, an orange, lemon, and also ginger. For our ginger, you're going to want 3 to 4 inches of it. You want to wash it off, and we're going to cut it into small pieces. You don't have to take the skin off, you can leave it on. Next, we're going to cut the skin off of our orange. We're going to start at the edges and then work our way around the orange. Now we're going to cut our orange into pieces. And lastly, we're going to cut the skin off of our lemon. Now you can cut your lemon into small pieces. Okay guys, so now you want to get a blender. We're going to be using 1 cup of our bottled water. And we're going to place everything inside of our blender. Okay, I'm going to start off with my lemon. Get my ginger. And also my oranges. I'm going to pour a cup of water in, and you can place the lid over top. You can go ahead and blend it until it's well combined. Okay guys, so what I like to do is get a bowl. I'm going to put a strainer over top. And I'm just going to pour it into the strainer so it'll catch whatever pulp there is. You just want to take a spoon and just pressing down so all the juice goes down. See, it caught a lot of the pulp in the strainer. Here I have a mason jar, so I'm just going to pour our juice inside of it. Okay guys, so it's really easy to store this in a mason jar in your refrigerator. Here I have a shot glass. So this is the amount that you want to take on an empty stomach every morning for 7 days. So I start on a Sunday, and this naturally detoxes your body. It helps with bloating, inflammation, and digestion, and it also hydrates you. And it also helps with joint pain, and you will have more energy. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?